That schooling system was designed to produce people for the industrial workforce. That's now changing to a digital economy. And what has to happen is we have to change the way that we educate to educate people for a new world that we're going into.
And this is sometimes where you've got the challenge of technology is developing faster than the institutions that are designed to regulate it are able to regulate it. It's dangerous to the development of a generation to be imparting values like a high standard of living is purely the result of intelligence and hard work when that's not necessarily true, and debatably if it ever was. We can all benefit from accommodations that are designed to accommodate marginalised people. For example, if we were, I used the example yesterday of the remote control. The remote control was designed to support people with mobility challenges to change the television. Yet everybody's probably used a remote control. Because I think if you were talking to organisations at the inception of the internet, 1992, 1993, and go, hey, would you invest money in infrastructure and training and staff to be able to get online now? Most organisations would be like, yeah, we would have done that earlier. Then social media comes along and we would go, you know what, would you have invested more money in getting a social team and everything up and running? They were, yeah. And now we're telling them, we're like, hey, Web3, Metaverse, AI, XR, AR, these technologies are going to change the consumer experience. Would you want to invest training and infrastructure in it now?
Basically, it's an AI book. And the whole point of this AI book is it learns how she learns. It tells her stories that puts her in the center of what's going on. And then also when she encounters challenges, troubles, difficult moments to go through, the book adapts and therefore teaches her the skills through the story that she can then use within her real life. And I see that being a very good reflection of how our AI tutors are moving today.